What up guys, I'm Chavez, you're watching The Come Up, and this is my Primo X Fiend bike build. Give it up for him! Alright! First off, we got the Fiend grips in black. And going down to the bars, we got Garrett's signature bars in 9 rise and 27 wide. And then down here, we got the Primo Icon stem in black. We got the Fiend Invest forks in black. And then we got a Primo VS rim laced to an N4FL with the hub guards that come on it, with a Primo tire in 2.4 with Primo plastic binary pegs? I don't know. Primo plastic pegs. And then for my frame, I have Colin's signature Fiend frame. I like Colin's frame, super short, shorter back end, real responsive, way more poppier. Then we got Colin's signature spline drive sprocket in 25 tooth. With that, we have black Fiend segment cranks with Primo JJ pedals. Shout out JJ, I love the pedals. Fiend seat posts in black. And then we got some new, it's a sample of new Fiend seats that are coming out here soon. I'm not quite sure when. And in the back, we got a VS rim laced to a free mix with the hub guards. And then we got Primo tire in the back, 2.4. And then we got the Primo plastic pegs also. You're watching The Come Up. This is my Fiend and Primo bike build. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and yeah. I was like, fuck, I didn't know how to pronounce the peg names, so I was like,
Go right now, got a check on me, bitch, come get me now. Got a warrant on my ass, come get me fast.